Hey, good morning students. Today we are going to solve the quadratic equation by completing square method. Yesterday we have solved the quadratic equation by factorization method. There are some equation that we can't solve by factorization that we can solve by completing square method. See for example, x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Just see this example. This is a quadratic equation, but we can't solve by factorization because we know that we can't get the factors of 2 in such a way that their sum is 10x. It is not possible. So like that examples are there that we can solve by completing square method. See, by this method first we have to take this third term right hand side. So 2 I am taking right hand side. Move the third term to the right hand side. That is the first step. After that, here third term is required that we have to find. To find the third term, there is one formula. In the textbook, this is not given, but I am giving you one formula to find the third term. So third term is equal to 1/2 into coefficient of x bracket square. See the formula, third term is equal to 1/2 into coefficient of x bracket square. Here the coefficient of x is 10. Now this answer will get 5. 5 square is equal to 25. This is our third term. Now this 25 we have to add this side, then we have to add this side also. We have added here 25 and we have to add this side also. Now we can see this equation is an expansion of which bracket? X plus 5 bracket square. Suppose you expand this bracket, you will get answer this. Here answer is 23. Up to here understood what I did? The third term I have taken in the right hand side. This is the first step. Then third term we have to find by the formula 1/2 into coefficient of x bracket square. So 1/2 into 10, that is 5. 5 square is 25. We got here third term. By third term we have to add left hand side also and right hand side also. Now I have added here 25, here 25, and this is the expansion of which bracket? X plus 5 bracket square. And this answer is 23. After that, next step is x plus 5 bracket square is equal to 23, taking square root both the side. Both the side. X plus 5 is equal to, here square root is square root of 23 plus or minus. Therefore the roots are x is equal to negative 5 plus 23 root 23 or negative 5 minus root 23. Therefore the roots of the given quadratic equations are negative 5 plus root 23 or negative 5 minus root 23. How to solve by completing square method? Do you understood? Again explain this. Suppose a quadratic equation is given that you can't solve by factorization. Then what we have to do? The third term we have to move to the right hand side. After that we have to find the third term. The third term we can find by this formula 1/2 into coefficient of x bracket square. After we got the third term, we have to add that third term both sides, left hand side also and right hand side also. Now see, after adding that answer is an expansion of which bracket that we have to see. It is an expansion of x plus 5 bracket square. Then next step we have to take square root of both the side, both left hand side and right hand side, square root we have to take. After taking square root, we can get the roots of the given quadratic equation. Understood? The next video I will show you some examples which are based on the completing square method. There are different examples. Some changes are there in every example. So next period we will see the examples. Thank you.